experiment is to test whether the salinity of water affects whether the egg will float or sink.
I'm placing the egg in the fresh water, and the density of the egg is greater than the fresh water, so the egg will sink. Peachy's turn. This is fresh water, and I'm adding salt to it to make it salt water. What's that? Alright. Should mix it up.
Alright, so this one is fresh water, so it's sinking. So when we put the egg in this one, it should float because the salinity level has changed. So, and then once the egg's in, you just gotta mix it up a little bit. We do it like this. There's more water in this one.
Yeah, maybe we need less water. Oh, and it works. Does it? No.
Like, you see how this is like
It's sinking though. Yeah, it's going down.
There's more water in.
I feel like, wait, let me see this. Like, yeah, okay. So the egg sunk in the fresh water because the density of the egg is greater than the density of the fresh water. This is the egg in the salt water. The egg floated in the salt water because the density of the egg is less than the density of the salt water. And in this one, the egg suspended itself in the middle because the density of the fresh water and density of the salt water is equal, so the egg suspended
The
itself.
reason the egg sunk in the fresh water is because the density of the egg is greater than the density of the fresh water.
The reason the egg floated in salt water because the density of the egg is less than the density of the salt water.
And salt water has a greater density than fresh water, so that's why it floated in salt water but sunk in fresh water. And the reason it's suspended is because the suspended water has a mixture of salt water and fresh water, causing it to be in the middle.